One time I murdered, ha ha ha, and it's coming up, and I'm not gonna murder again, ha ha. Look at the beautiful blue sea. That's another thing, yeah. That's another thing. The sea is blue, you know. The sky is blue. The water is water. Water does not have any color. Water is celatine. Celatine. Right, look. Hey, Dad, morning, puppy, we had a better. My Ray-Bans. Well, you better come enjoy the nice sea breeze, man. Hi, puppy, man. Make say hi to you, dog. Come here, you look beast. I'm me stupid that morning. I'm me stupid already, dog stupid. My art girl, you know, when I saw my art, I love the artness, yes, I love the artness. Them never start this now, them saw my art look good. Art girl. Morning! Wanna catch a fish yet? I tried. Well, good luck. Alright. Bless up, man. Them not bad luck at me. See nice sun there and a nice sea. As I was saying, the sea is not blue, you know. The sky is blue. And the reflection of the sky go in the water. And then everyone say the deep blue sea, which is true, but it's kind of lie as well. It's like truth lie. Why? Truth lie. A truth lie. But between me and the knock, at night time, if it shines something at the sea, it's going to be dark, ain't it? So really, the sky blue in under the sea. See husband there?
Yes, yes. You know, I want to do it from chop, you know. I really like, oh, I know you're going now. Life. The first thing. Father God give you blessings. You understand? So you say anything else after that.
Kneel down and pray. Babies?
They know the righteous of my wedding what?
Day! And your birthday?
This, you know, you check it. You see it. You see it, believe it.
Okay. Alright, dude, leave me alone.
Yeah, fireman, that is it, you know. We're outside in Jamaica, you know, right in the sunlight today. You hear that? No jokes.
And your wedding spot, right where?
Jamaica, big up in themselves, you know, girl. You know, the thing with the man, you know the thing come down. That is it. In the sun, and in the sunlight.
Yeah.
You may say no man a one deed in a face, a deed, you say what? That keep the thing what?
Clean.
That is it.
Right from the merge
Yeah,
spot.
you may say no man. You say London Vice, you know, one Vice, you know. You understand?
And it's the London Vice here.
Top of the morning,
More Vice, and he
King
is from,
London Vice.
put on the kingdom man, King London Vice, and he's all the way from Toronto, Canada, Maple Leaf. From over Maple Leaf, Canada. The Queen is here at the early morning at Elsha Beach where we get married. Here I go, this is the marriage spot. Here comes the bride, Queenie and Dewey, we get married. Lord God. But I never ever get tired of that spot here. Every time I come like
Commercial break, it's alive, okay? Know that.
who don't catch you live? What them to do it? Catch you what?
Dead.
If you don't watch you live, you watch the dead. So you watch something. Pin it. Okay, let me pin it. I don't own. And it's Queen Lady Gangster, Jury One Connect, June Plum Boss, Mr. Scarlett, and the what would I do? Elsha beat me on my list on.
The writer special Sundays, man, I know it's that.
Special Sunday,
Yes,
where we get the special
no.
wedding. Next 6 Sunday gonna be we wedding anniversary,
Mr.
right?
Cool
Ooh.
is that.
Oh, you cool, baby, you cool.
Whoop,
You so
whoop.
cool, baby.
What if I do now?
Of life. Up lady gangs. I mean life are the greatest gift or whatever is truth. All of them don't have no plane ticket money and I still have life.
Amen.
Okay? All of them don't come to Jamaica and El Shabit they still have life and Queenie has shown in it.
Amen.
So I then complaining here about life. Problem never done. As one done. Another one come. Hey, life too short. May I live my life. Spice up my life. Can you know something nice? God make Adam, he make Eve too. Apple in the garden. What did it? Instagram ad for me. Instagram wanna leave me alone. I'm back like every minute in the trouble, man. I know me. Mad sick, Edna good. Mad sick, Edna good. Mad sick, Edna good. Mad sick, Edna good. Hey, mad sick, Edna. Oh. Put up past that there.
Boom, go pussy ass.
Ooh,
Them
ooh.
man that boy. Wow, shy.
You like my Smith?
No bother me.
Wow, did my husband just say that? Am I bothering you? Don't do it. No, do it, sir. I'm not bother him. Do you just bring my Smith? Morning. Blessed. 100%. Share for because I love to share. So only that Jamaica with me on the one plane ticket come. Me only have any water already. After 3. 1 the water meet me. And the let so like there. Let there be light. Light water. You hear that it's a balance. You have to have water, you have to have life. Light, you have to have light. You have to have water. Look at this lovely water now. Look at that. That's all Mother Nature. That's priceless. Money cannot buy this. It's just beautiful. It's beyond beauty. Look at that. I still feel like I just want to drop up and open up and say, water! Water is life. You know what I'm going to water? Hi! Morning!
Yeah, the wild all Bonez place.
Yes, the queen is here, the queen is here.
Green work.
Dewey! Come here, husband.
Silver links, big up
Mr.
yourself.
Cole.
Jamaica with it.
Oh, this is a very different hairstyle now. Transform. Here, different. Here, body now.